If your girlfriend does not want to talk to you, it is important to respect her wishes and give her some space. However, if you are concerned about the state of your relationship, there are some things you can do to try to improve the situation. 1. Communicate openly and honestly. If your girlfriend is not talking to you, it may be because there are unresolved issues or misunderstandings in your relationship. Try to have an open and honest conversation with her about how you are feeling and listen to her perspective as well. 2. Give her space. Sometimes, people need time and space to process their thoughts and emotions. If your girlfriend is not talking to you, it may be because she needs some time to herself. Respect her need for space and try not to pressure her to talk before she is ready. 3. Show her that you care. Even if your girlfriend is not talking to you, you can still show her that you care about her. Send her a thoughtful message, surprise her with a small gift or gesture, or plan a special date for when she is ready to talk. 4. Seek the help of a professional. If your relationship issues are particularly complex or difficult to resolve, consider seeking the help of a professional therapist or counselor. They can help you and your girlfriend work through your issues and improve your communication and relationship skills.